I'd like to demonstrate how soap is made. Here we have a bar of soap that was made many years ago in a manner similar to the way the pioneers did on the frontier. You'll notice the brown color is due to the animal fat that was cooked over open fires. Today, however, we're going to use a vegetable shortening, which is white in color. We're going to place that on our hot plate and begin to melt it, just as the pioneers would have done with animal fat over an open fire. We're going to add some ethyl alcohol, ethanol, and some sodium hydroxide, a base, sometimes called lye. So we're making lye soap. As this begins to melt, we don't want it to have the brown color that we saw earlier, so I'm going to put in a small piece of a crayon. This is going to take quite a while to melt and to cook it for about 15 minutes. And so we'll be back later to see how it turns out. We can see now that the material has solidified and there's still a little bit of liquid there. We're going to allow that to cool and we're going to salt out the soap. As you know, soap does not suds up in salt water, and we're going to add a saturated solution of salt water to our soap. Now we can begin to see the layer of soap forming on the top as it floats above the salt water. In order to collect that, we're going to filter it through some cheesecloth. Here we have some cheesecloth and a large beaker. Collect our soap in the cheesecloth, allow the water to drip out, and then we're going to take the soap from the cheesecloth and put it into an evaporating dish where it can then dry.